Hey there, this is the practice exam 2, number 3 that I'm going to go over here. So we're talking about number 3. So let's do that the right way. So you have the Ravens and the Colts won 1/3 more games. Okay, so we want to be careful about that word more than the Packers. And then the Ravens won 3/5 the number of games the Colts won. The 3 teams together won 56 games. What fraction of the games did each team win? Okay, so here's the game plan. Let's pull out that first ratio. Get down here to where I have some space. So that first ratio is 1/3. And I'm going to put the word more up here because that's the word that came after it. And that related the Ravens and the Colts to the Packers. So the Ravens and Colts are going to get 1 more than whatever the Packers have. So the Packers are going to get 3. And because the Ravens and Colts have 1 more, they get what the Packers get plus an extra box. Okay, and that's the part that can be a little bit tricky. That more means that they get whatever's on the bottom plus 1 more. So when you see more, you're kind of adding the 2 parts of the fraction together. And that tells you that you have 7 boxes. And that is, I forget how many games. Let's go back and check. 56 games. And while I'm here, 3/5. 56 games and 3/5. Okay, if 7 boxes is 56 games, then 1 box is 8 games. And so the Packers have 3 boxes, which means they win 24 games. So there's 1. And then the Ravens and Colts together have 4 boxes. Sorry about that. So they get win 32 games. And you're going to take that piece of information together with the 3/5. So the second ratio they give you is 3/5, and that relates the Ravens to the Colts. So it's Ravens to Colts. So the 3 is Ravens and the 5 is Colts. So that means that the Ravens get 3 boxes and the Colts get 5 boxes. And altogether, then you have 8 boxes. And that has to be the same 32 games from up here. Then each box is 4 games. And so the Ravens get 3 boxes or 12 games. And the Colts get 5 boxes or 20 games. Okay, so your main thing here is you're splitting it up. You're using that first ratio to find out what you can about the Packers and the Ravens and Colts. And then you use the second ratio to split apart the Ravens and Colts. Okay.